Hi, I'm Kat the teacher. I'm the CEO of Learn with Kat, and I teach English and German online. My students come from all over the world. I was born in Germany, but I live in the UK now since 1998. I always wanted to speak English. When I grew up, I lived in a communist country and we were not allowed to travel to England. But I really wanted to speak English. I learned English at school and always wanted to learn more. When Germany became one country, I traveled to England on language holidays. In 1998, I made my dream to live in England come true. Now I have created a course that will help my students to improve English pronunciation, make it easier to understand general conversation, and make them more confident speaking English. Do you need English for work or your daily life? Do you feel frustrated that you can't join into conversations with your colleagues? Do you need help with your pronunciation? This 8-module self-study course has videos with pronunciation exercises, a dialogue, and other exercises to help you understand general English better. Don't worry anymore that you can't get the job or move to another country. Join today and you get 50% off the normal price. When you sign up, you will also get a free PDF with emergency phrases and a special bonus. See you in the course.